How are you? The year has only just begun, but we're already feeling the pinch. How do we stay happy in these times? Happiness is the maximization of purpose, meaning, positivity, and pleasure derived from the meeting of basic needs, autonomy, mastery, and inclusion. This goes beyond the temporary experience most people think happiness is. To give you that needed boost, the Canary Wharf PA Club, CWPA, has partnered with SVH Inc. to bring you a virtual away day experience in holistic well-being and happiness tagged CWPA with Drive on the 19th of February at 1:30 p.m. It will be a free learning and rejuvenating experience with CPD certifications for attendees. There's also an option to donate what you can to select charities. You walk away feeling stronger, vibrant, happier, and more included. First 20 registrations will get free wellness bags from us, so hurry and book your spot now. My name is Valentina Hynes, creative head of SVH Inc., and I look forward to meeting you.
Hi, you've got a LinkedIn profile, you're not quite sure what to do with it, you're not alone. My name's Nigel Cliff, I'm a LinkedIn trainer and consultant, and I'm delighted to be attending the Canary Wharf PA Club on the 19th of February at 1:30 p.m. And I'm going to give you lots of tips and tricks to how to improve your profile, how to improve engagement on LinkedIn, to make your profile more successful, to help you achieve your objectives. Can't wait, looking forward to it. Bye for now.
Hi, I'm Olivia Stefanino, and I'm the creator of the Money Types Emotional Profiling System. And I'm really hoping that you're going to come along and join me for the CWPA with Drive event on February the 19th. I'm going to be talking about the money types and what they all have to reveal to you about your gifts, your talents, and all sorts of other things like your shadow side and those things which might be sabotaging you. We'll be talking about relationships, we'll be talking about work, we'll be talking about home life. It's going to be a fun session. Who knows what will happen? And I really hope that you're going to come along and join me there.
Ahoy everyone, I'm Simon Jacobs and I run a company called Professional Weirdos. Professional Weirdos is all about creativity and helping people to unleash their own inner weirdo. Now, your inner weirdo is that part of you that has those incredible strokes of brilliance, those magical creative ideas, and that part of you that has that zest and demand for life. And we're about utilising that part in all aspects of life. So the session that I'll be running is all about creativity and the bits that come within that. So playfulness, teamwork, happiness, and various other aspects. Fundamentally for me, the most important part of the session is that you'll enjoy it. So for 25 minutes, you're going to take your mind off of work and then go back feeling refreshed and creative and those sparks flying. So if you want to come and join me, I'll be doing this at the CWPA with Drive on the 19th of Feb at 1:30 p.m. I look forward to seeing you there, and thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Jo, and I can't wait to meet you. I am really looking forward to talking to you about vision boards. So what is the power of vision boards? Vision boards are so powerful. They make you think. They help you get unstuck. They help you become emotionally charged and invested in your dreams and your goals. They get you all fired up so that you can absolutely plan what you want to do with your life and make it happen. And they are fun to do, but that's the easy part. You've got to make those dreams and those goals come true. And that's what I'll be doing with you today, talking you through vision boards and helping you make those dreams and goals that are on your vision boards absolutely come true, breaking it down into small steps so you can achieve what you want to achieve. Really looking forward to meeting you all and talking about the power of vision boards. I will see you there.
My name's Martin Morrison and I've just finished my outdoor Qi Gong and Tai Chi and Neigong session out in the forest, as you can see, where it's wonderful, in harmony with the animals, almost like St. Francis of Assisi, the patron saint of animals. Now, on the 19th of February at 1:30 for the Drive event in association with CWPA, I'm going to be delivering a short session, like a kind of introduction into Tai Chi, Qi Gong and Neigong. Put simply, Neigong is meditation, so we learn how to stay present and to be really aware of what's going on the inside and the outside. Qi Gong are a set of stretches really designed to make sure that we're standing tall. If we're standing tall and our structure's good, life is so much easier. And of course, Tai Chi is learning how to maintain that harmony while we move. I'll see you there. Take care. Ta-ra!